Hello, and welcome to Vibology, where I talk about things based solely on vibes. What I want to talk about today is AI. There are a couple different versions of this topic, but let's start off with, let's say, AI art and why I think it's really cool. Clickbait title incoming. The idea is that the progress that has been made with AI is actually really exciting and really cool and has the potential to be used for just like making everything that you want to do a whole lot easier. In the terms of art, I think that's really cool. The problem with how it's going to be used and how it is currently being used, and what gives it the sort of vibe that people have about it, which is it's disgusting and it's stealing people's art to basically just take bits and pieces of it to recreate things based on a prompt. And but the reason that it is a bad thing is because capitalism. And so here's a bit of a bait and switch. I'm mostly going to talk about how capitalism just ruins everything, how the profit motive takes things that could be used for good in the world and just ruins them and makes them evil. So, say the AI in your phone, let's call it AI in your phone, the things in your phone that track your data and tailor ads to you are only because somebody can make money off of that. However, that could be used to, the thing that spurred that on is my fiance's parents got a new dryer, and one of the things that popped up one time when I was drying clothes in it was connect this app to suggest different drying cycles based on your habits. And I'm like, that's kind of cool. It's dystopian because they're going to use that to sell you laundry detergent or something like that. But the AI and these algorithms and systems could be used to improve our lives, to suggest, hey, it seems like you're not drinking enough water. Maybe you should take a sip of water. And the reason that gives people a bad vibe, the reason that gives people the heebie-jeebies is because the profit motive incentivizes people to use that to manipulate you into making purchases or lifestyle changes that make somebody money. But it could be used to improve the lifestyle of people, if you consent to it, of course. And so AI art, if there wasn't a profit incentive, could be used to create beautiful pictures for like someone like myself. If I wanted to put a beautiful picture in the background of this video, AI art, or an AI artist, I suppose, could do that without me needing to spend the years it would take to get good enough to make a beautiful picture like that. All of these programs that could be made, all of the just leaps and bounds in the state of our lives could be improved just on so the way that the AI currently works now, it's basically just you're having a conversation with a thing that uses the internet to democratize the answer. It just, scrubs the internet, not scrubs the internet, it crawls the internet, searches for, all these different things and opinions and topics that people talked about on the internet. And it is condensing all of that down to the democratically elected answer of what it is with, there's limits set on the AI and there's all these other things to prevent it from, saying horribly inflammatory things. But something like that, if we didn't live under capitalism, if there wasn't a profit incentive behind every single thing that everyone does, if we were just allowed to create these new cool things for the sake of making cool things that could help improve things and our lives and make beautiful art and music and all these other things, if it wasn't tied to basically stealing somebody's financial interests or manipulating people into making decisions based on a financial interest. It's disgusting and horrible and just a bad vibe all around. Anyway, that's the vibe for today. It's bad vibes based on things that have the potential to not be bad vibes, to be very good vibes, but cannot because of the worst vibe possible, which is capitalism. Have a good day and vibe on, man.